Now guys, in this video I will show you how to create components using Figma, whether choosing AI or just do it manually. I will use both in this video. So first that you need to get description of the component, create a button component in red color. There you go guys. After putting the prompt, there you go. You have a button that it is like as a component one, and all what you can do is just this component you can use it on redefined once again. So that's it for the AI part. So let's go for the manual part. The manual part, just go for just I will get anything here, like let's say rectangle and just normal text and let's type component. It's gonna be a bit bigger, so this one will make it center text, and then I will just frame this, and then I will just create component about it. So all what you need to do, just right click and then you will find create component. There you go guys, the component is gonna be in your assets for the project. All what you need to do, in any time that you need the same element of that component in your project, all what you need to do is just go for the alt and you just make children of that. That's it. All what you need to do is just go for asset and then just drop it here, drop it here, group it here. That's the all of the components. It's variable things. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.